Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Friendly Lobster in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Friendly Lobster, you need to go to the Classic Island and you need to find this Iron Cavern. And to unlock this Iron Cavern, you need to have at least level 200. And after you reach level 200, you can teleport to the Iron Cavern. Alright. And I'm going to show you the best spot or the best location to catch this Friendly Lobster. Okay, wait. I'm going to go to this area. Okay, for the fishing spot, actually you can fish here. But I'm going to show you the location which can give you more possibilities or chance to get the Friendly Lobster. Okay, you can go to this area guys. Okay, this is the first area where you can catch the Friendly Lobster, and go to the other side right here. Okay, you can fish here. So you will have more chance to get the Friendly Lobster. And the next location is in the Iron Cavern. And to unlock the Iron Cavern, you will need 4 fishes. Okay, you will need the Shedletsky guppy and then red eyes guppy and so on. You need to place the required fishes and you will be able to unlock the Iron Cavern. And just go to the Iron Cavern, then do fishing. But now it's not opened. It will appear or spawn every 2 hours. And here, you will have more possibilities to get the Friendly Lobster. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Friendly Lobster in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!